Hey everyone, we are proud to announce our new Eelam song streaming service. It's available for everyone, free of cost and without any commercials. You can search for songs by title, album, or by an artist name. You can listen to all the songs we currently have under this artist name, or you can go listen to 50 of the most popular songs on our platform. You can also read the lyrics to the songs by tapping the 3 dots and by tapping Show Lyrics. Don't forget to register so you can access your listening history and save your favorite songs to your own playlist. Mobile application is set to launch in mid-2021 with more features and the ability to save songs and listen offline. For the time being, take advantage of our web-based app by saving our website to your homepage. Tech giants may censor us, but they cannot silence us. Thank you for your support and enjoy the songs of our homeland, Tamilulam. Tamilan Tagam, Tamilula Tayagam.